When you start to use Fingertip, you instantly become a social decision maker. In addition to many other tools, Fingertip also provides you with professional social profile to help you become a better social decision maker. In the world of social decision making, credibility, recognition, and consistency are all important traits for individuals. We found out that one way to support all these traits is to add a profile image and edit your user profile in Fingertip. In this video, we are going to show you how to do it. First, click on the avatar image in the top right corner of your screen and click on your name. This is your profile in Fingertip. Here you can customize your profile page, edit your user details, and add a profile picture. To add a photo of yourself, first click on the small camera icon next to your temporary avatar image. Here, select Update Photo. On this pop-up, click to Upload Image and select the image that you want to use from your device. Once you are done, click to save. And that's it. Now your colleagues will recognize you better and your name has more credibility.